Lene saved the day.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it's a little finch, isn't it? Is that what it... Oh, shit! Here comes Hank!
Shit.
Oh, shit!
No.
Oh, no!
Hanky! No. Shit. Hanky! Hank! Damn it! No. Hanky!
I'm sorry to laugh.
Oh, where the hell did those go? Hank!
He got a treat.
Hank!
You're gonna get diarrhea, Hank!
Shit bar tits!
Shit damn Elpis fuck.
Hanky!
All that work you went to save that bird, and now Hank's gonna be the end of it.
How did he know? How did he know it was over here?
He heard us talking.
Hanky!
Bad boy! Oh, here he comes back. I see him.
Hank!
Hank!
Hanky! Come and see Mama. Come on,
Oh, son of a bitch.
Great. Bird's dead. Bird's dead. For God's sakes.
Well, you know what? You did your best.
I did. I tried. I damn tried. Okay.
I wanted to have fried bird, but I'm just kidding.